Have you tried every possible diet to find no improvements in your weight and energy levels? Tired of working out excessively and compromising on favorite meals and treats? These are opinions that the general public tends to voice regarding weight loss. It is not a smooth sailing journey, and a lot of effort is typically needed to ensure that individuals start their travels on the right foot. One fitness and nutrition coach avows that his take to a desirable body begins within one's energy channels. Confused as to what that even means? The purpose of this review is to introduce Matt Stirling, through whom we will learn the different facets of the, lo and behold, MetaboFix. What is MetaboFix? MetaboFix is advertised as a rapid metabolism boosting formula that contains 26 unique polyphenol extracts, 9 metabolic fat burners, and digestive enzymes to revamp one component in the body that leads to a series of mishaps in terms of cells and organs function. Meant to be served as a simple drink or smoothie, each serving is trusted to maximize one's metabolic function. Developed by Canadian fitness trainer Matt Stirling, MetaboFix is reckoned to give rise to a flattened stomach without extreme exercise or skipping meals, a sustainable energy source, shrinkage in the thighs, waistline, and hips possibly, improved mental focus and concentration. These benefits are sure to impress consumers, but first, we need to understand the exact driving force that permits one to experience them fully. How does MetaboFix work? MetaboFix aims to unmask and eliminate one hidden culprit that rests at the core of unwanted belly fat, a slow metabolic rate, and accelerated aging. As per the claims made, factors including genetics, lifestyle choices, hormones, and even medical history are considered secondary compared to this culprit. So, what is the problem that MetaboFix can terminate? It supposedly rests in the mitochondria. Mitochondria are membrane-bounded cells that generate the body's essential chemical energy for biochemical reactions stored in a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, ATP. These cells are also viewed as organelles that act like a digestive system to help break down nutrients and convert the latter into energy-rich molecules that keep our bodily cells up and running. That said, when mitochondria fail to perform as required, the body gradually loses its ability to convert food into energy-storing molecules. In turn, this can harm muscle health, i.e., inducing feelings of weakness and exhaustion, cell health, because of the buildup of oxygen and fuel molecules, the brain and its network of nerves, heart health, and eyes, name the least. Regarding weight management, damaged mitochondria induce thyroid problems and introduce weight gain, because of increased salt and water retention. Oftentimes, these organelles start to lose their strength with aging. In fact, it is strength at risk and the fact that the overall production of these organelles starts to decrease, which makes breaking down nutrients that much more difficult for the body. To bring an end to this issue, MetaboFix was developed to deliver polyphenols, i.e., antioxidants linked to prolonged cellular aging processes, thermogenic ingredients that increase body heat to burn fat, and pre- and probiotics to maximize good bacteria health and the overall gut, respectively. Who should consider MetaboFix? MetaboFix is suitable for anyone in dire need of an energy hike and/or metabolism-boosting nutrients. Most benefits are said to be experienced by people in their 40s, 50s, 60s and beyond because these age groups are the ones that have to deal with either damaged mitochondria or a lack thereof. Is MetaboFix safe to ingest? MetaboFix is deemed a safe supplement because it contains nothing but all natural ingredients. That said, this supplement is not suitable for children under the age of 18, pregnant and/or nursing mothers, and people with pre-existing medical conditions. In the case of the latter, a health practitioner's opinion should be sought beforehand. How often should MetaboFix be consumed? 1 scoop a day first thing in the morning is all it takes to reap the benefits of MetaboFix. Ideally, these servings should be taken with water, but individuals can choose different beverage bases. The maximum number of servings per day should be restricted to 2. What results can be expected from taking MetaboFix? Within the first month of taking MetaboFix, individuals can anticipate a flatter stomach, thinner physique, and increased energy levels. For a complete mind and body transformation, individuals are asked to continue this supplement for at least 3 months to a maximum of 6. Is MetaboFix protected by a refund policy? Yes. MetaboFix has been protected by a 60-day money-back guarantee. If, for whatever reasons, this formula brings nothing but dissatisfaction and/or discontent, customer service can be reached for a prompt, full purchase price refund. For more information on how to take advantage of this protection, contact customer service in one of the following ways. Company address: 2283 Yellow Birch Way, London, Ontario, N6G, 5C1. Email: support@goldvida.com. Website: https://goldvida.com. What does each MetaboFix purchase include? Every MetaboFix purchase includes 3 bonus guides. Summarized below is a preview of each one of them. Bonus number 1. 7-day rapid fat burning protocol. Matt Stirling is also a nutrition coach. He put together a 7-day rapid fat burning protocol trusted to work together with MetaboFix. This protocol allegedly guarantees results in a shorter period compared to an open diet. Some examples of recipes that individuals can look forward to devouring entail blueberry waffles, bacon cheeseburgers, triple cheese pizza, and even chocolate chip ice cream. We'll leave the expert to dive into how individuals can lose weight with this type of diet. Bonus number 2. 12-hour flat stomach detox. To get a head start on losing weight in the stomach area, Matt appears to have created a 12-hour detox plan, which should be administered before taking MetaboFix. He affirms that this protocol alone should suffice to take up to an inch off the belly. In fact, it can be achieved without having to skip meals or resorting to juices. Bonus number 3. 30 fat-burning bedtime desserts. Desserts are unavoidable, and during a diet, it becomes challenging to stray away from them. Fortunately, Matt has come up with 30 tasteful yet healthy desserts that aim to keep the metabolism always running. As per the claims made, these desserts are guilt-free and can be enjoyed right before bed. Some examples include triple chocolate ice cream, chocolate chip cookies, lava cakes, and you name it. How much does MetaboFix cost? MetaboFix is recommended for up to 6 months, and to ensure that one's finances do not interfere, Matt slashed the prices per unit on all bulk orders. The following price offering breakdowns, before taxes, shipping, and/or customs fees. 1 MetaboFix container, 30-day supply, $69 each. 3 MetaboFix containers, 90-day supply, $49 each. 5 MetaboFix containers, 180-day supply, $39 each.